Are you ready for the 2025 food shortage? Here are 9 grocery items you absolutely need to stock up on before it's too late. We're seeing signs everywhere. Supply chains are getting weaker, prices are going insane, and experts are warning that things could get really tough. I don't want any of you to be caught off guard. That's why I've spent weeks researching and putting together the ultimate list of what you need to buy right now. This isn't about fear-mongering. This is about being smart and prepared. Today, I'm going to be your coach. We're going to go through step by step the 9 most critical items to get in your pantry before the shelves start to look empty. Are you ready? Let's do this. Today, we are going to make sure your family is prepared for 2025. First up on our list is something you probably have in your fridge right now, but I bet you've never thought of it as a survival superfood: eggs. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. In a situation where getting good protein is tough, having a reliable source of eggs is like having gold. They are incredibly versatile. You can fry them, scramble them, boil them, bake with them. So how do we make them last? The secret is preservation. One of the oldest and most effective methods is water glassing. You mix pickling lime with water to create a solution, and you can store fresh, unwashed eggs in it for up to 18 months. Another method is freeze drying. You can scramble the eggs, freeze dry them, and they become a lightweight powder that can be stored for 25 years. You can buy freeze-dried eggs in bulk cans, and I seriously recommend you do. While everyone else is fighting over canned beans, you'll have a source of high-quality, delicious protein. Let's move on to the next item, which is just as crucial for long-term protein. Eggs are great for protein, but we need more. That's where canned meat and jerky come in. Chicken, tuna, salmon, Spam, and beef, ready to eat, long shelf life. Add to rice, pasta, or soup for a protein-packed meal. Jerky is lightweight, nutrient-dense, and lasts ages. In a crisis, your stockpile of canned meat and jerky is priceless. Start building your wall of protein now. We've covered some serious ground with protein, but now let's talk about something that feeds the soul. Item number 3 is coffee and other non-alcoholic beverages. In a high-stress, long-term emergency situation, morale is everything. A simple cup of coffee in the morning can be the one thing that keeps you feeling human. It's a ritual, a comfort, a taste of normalcy. The psychological boost you get from a warm, familiar drink is immeasurable. And let's not forget the caffeine. It's a powerful tool for staying alert and focused. But it's not just about coffee. Think about tea, hot chocolate powder, and powdered drink mixes. These are lightweight, have a long shelf life, and can make plain water much more palatable. Now let's talk about the secret weapon aspect of these items: barter. Coffee, tea, and sugar are historically valuable trade items. Having a surplus of these comfort items makes you incredibly resourceful. Start adding extra coffee, tea, and hot chocolate to your cart now. We've talked about eggs and canned protein, but now we need to talk about the king. Item number 4 is beef and other red meats. This is your source for iron, zinc, and B vitamins nutrients that are absolutely critical. A chest freezer is one of the best investments you can make for food security. You can buy ground beef, roasts, and steaks in bulk when they are on sale, vacuum seal them, and store them. But what if the power goes out? You need a backup generator or a plan to cook all that meat quickly. Canning your own beef is a skill that will make you a legend in your neighborhood. Pressure canning allows you to store beef, venison, or any red meat in jars on a shelf for years. And let's not forget about freeze-dried options. You can buy freeze-dried ground beef and steak pieces in large cans that have a 25-year shelf life. It's lightweight, compact, and provides that rich, savory flavor and nutrition. So, your mission is to build a multi-layered red meat strategy. Red meat provides a density of nutrients that is hard to replicate. Don't neglect this fundamental building block of a robust survival pantry. We have our protein locked down, but a human cannot live on protein alone. You need energy. This brings us to item number 5, the undisputed champion of long-term calories: rice, grains, and pasta. White rice, when stored properly, can last for 30 years. It's cheap, it's easy to store, and it provides the essential carbohydrates your body needs for energy. Store them in food-grade buckets with oxygen absorbers, and you have food security for decades. And it's not just rice. Think about other grains like oats, quinoa, and wheat berries. Then there's pasta. Everyone loves pasta. It's a massive comfort food, it's cheap, and it stores for years. The key here is bulk. We are not talking about buying a few extra boxes. You should be aiming to have hundreds of pounds of these grains stored away. They are the affordable, space-efficient way to ensure you have enough calories to weather any storm, so make a plan. This is the single most cost-effective step you can take to prepare for 2025. A small investment in rice and grains today will pay massive dividends in food security tomorrow. Sugar and sweets play a triple role in survival: energy, morale, and preservation. Sugar is a pure, direct source of energy, and a powerful morale booster. A little sweetness can lift spirits during tough times. Plus, sugar preserves food. Think jams and jellies. Stock, white sugar, honey, and maple syrup. They last nearly forever. Don't forget hard candies and chocolate for a quick morale boost. These sweet essentials can make a world of difference. Quick energy, no effort, instant snacks. Life in a crisis is not going to be slow and calm. That's where item number 7 comes in. Instant snacks. This is your emergency fuel. It's the food you can eat with zero preparation when you need calories right now. We're talking about things like granola bars, protein bars, crackers, pretzels, and nuts. These are items you can throw in a bag, keep in your car, or just grab from the pantry. Having a ready-to-eat, calorie-dense option is a critical part of a well-rounded food plan. It fills a gap that a 50-pound bag of rice just can't. Stock up on peanut butter-filled pretzels, different kinds of crackers, mixed nuts, and dried fruit. Peanut butter itself is a superstar here. It's packed with calories and protein and lasts a long time. These instant snacks are the foundation of any good bug-out bag or emergency car kit. It's a simple, easy, and absolutely essential part of being prepared. The Vitamin Lifeline frozen fruits and vegetables. We've covered protein, carbs, and morale, but we are missing a critical piece of the nutritional puzzle: vitamins and minerals. This is why item number 8 is so important: frozen fruits and vegetables. A chest freezer, which we talked about for meat, is your best friend here too. You can stock it to the brim with bags of frozen broccoli, spinach, peas, corn, berries, and mangoes. In a long-term scenario where fresh produce is a distant memory, being able to pull a bag of frozen spinach out of the freezer and add it to your rice and beans is a massive health advantage. It will keep you and your family from suffering from nutrient deficiencies. You can buy fruits and vegetables in bulk when they're in season and cheap, then blanch and freeze them yourself. A freezer full of colorful fruits and vegetables is like a vault full of health insurance. Fill that freezer. It's one of the smartest, healthiest moves you can make to prepare for 2025. The unsung heroes: cooking oil and pantry basics. We've reached our final item, and honestly, it might be the most important of all. Item number 9 is cooking oil and pantry basics like flour, salt, and baking soda. These are the foundational items that turn your stored ingredients into actual meals. Let's start with cooking oil. You need fat to cook. It prevents food from sticking, it transfers heat, and it adds much-needed flavor and calories. You need to stock up on oils with a long shelf life. Then we have flour. If you have flour, you can make bread, tortillas, pancakes, and pasta. Salt is not just for flavor, it's a critical electrolyte your body needs to function. Baking soda and baking powder are essential for any kind of baking. Vinegar is another multi-purpose powerhouse for cooking, cleaning, and preserving. These items are the glue that holds your entire food strategy together. So your final mission is to audit your pantry for these basics and then go big. They are the difference between just having a pile of ingredients and having the ability to cook nutritious, delicious meals for your family every single day. And there you have it. The 9 essential grocery items you need to start stocking up on for the 2025 food shortage. We've covered everything from protein and carbs to vitamins and the basic building blocks of cooking. This isn't just a random list. This is a complete strategy to ensure your family is not just surviving, but thriving. The key is to start now. Every small step you take today is a massive leap towards security for tomorrow. Preparation is power. Don't wait until it's too late. Start stocking up on these essentials now and stay prepared for whatever 2025 brings. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.